Days of Norwood. These are the days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. These are the days of Norwood.
This week on Days of Norwood, Lab 1, Monochrometers, Spectrometers, and Shocking Family Secrets. From Section D, Group B, starring Corey Boone as Cornelius Bunbar, and Weslin Pullen as Wilson Castaway.
And Dana Krolichek as Danger McPherson.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Cornelius.
Wilson.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the Senior Optics Shop.
Thanks.
What can I do for you?
Well, I'm just really interested in what you guys sell here.
Okay, come on over here. I'll show you our Cerny Turner monochrometer.
Hey, my mom really loved those.
In this Cerny Turner monochrometer, light from this 543 nanometer helium neon laser is directed towards the first slit. The slit is located a focal length away from this first mirror, so the light from the slit is collimated and directed towards this diffraction grating. Light from the -1 order is directed towards the second mirror, which is located a focal length away from the second slit. The collimated light hitting the second mirror is then focused onto the slit, and that light is then passed through to the detector. So this tunable Heaney laser can be used for the wavelength calibration of this prism monochrometer. You ever used one of these before?
Yeah, I've used one of these. Can I show off my skills?
Oh yeah.
Hey there.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
This is the co-owner of the shop, Danger.
Hi, Danger.
Danger.
Wilson.
What are you guys up to? Oh, I see you're using the 604 nanometer wavelength.
Yeah, it's actually my family wavelength.
What? That's my family wavelength.
Is your mother Matilda?
Yes!
Nephew!
Uncle!
I need a moment to take this all in. I'll be back.
Do you want to stay and work with me?
Yeah.
Come on. Next, for the slit function measurements, we use the Gerald Ash monochrometer and the 604 nanometer Heaney wavelength. We put a diffuser in front of the entrant slit of the monochrometer and a power meter behind the exit slit.
Different size slits.
In this experiment, we measured output power as a function of this wavelength counter.
This shows the output using the flashlight. This shows the output of the mercury lamp without the filter. And this is the output of the mercury lamp with the filter. In our experiments, we didn't use a filter, so whenever we used a mercury source, we still had these other wavelengths present in our experiments. This filter works perfectly.
The government will never be able to scan for our products.
Norwood. Days of Norwood. These are the days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. These are the days of Norwood.
This is Lab 4, Group D, Section D, Group B.
This week on Days of Norwood, acoustic optic modulators and deflectors and double agents. Starring Corey Boone as Cornelius Bunbar and Weslin Pullen as Wilson Castaway.
And Dana Krolichek as Danger McPherson.
Thanks again for showing me the properties of acousto-optic devices, specifically with regards to Bragg diffraction. And you know, Uncle, I just really wanted to say thanks for hiring me.
Nephew, you are so welcome. This is a family business, and we're so glad to have you on board.
Thanks. Well, can we go over one more time what we just learned?
Yeah, sure. To analyze the beam deflection, we had the Heaney laser going through the same acoustic modulator setup onto this piece of cardboard with a ruler drawn on it. We set the RF level to a midway point and varied the centering knob to find the maximum angular deviation we could achieve. We then set the centering knob to a midway point and varied the RF level to see if that had any effect on the deviation. All it did was change the brightness of the plus and -1 modes, but it had no effect on the deviation angle. To find the maximum deflection angle, we subtracted the maximum separation we could achieve, which was 3 centimeters between the modes, by the minimum separation we could achieve, which is 1.75 centimeters. We divided that by the distance to the cardboard, which is 1.5 meters, to find a deflection angle of 0.477 degrees. Using this newfound knowledge, we will mount acoustic optic modulators on top of our battle dolphins and use their sonar at 20 kilohertz to modulate our laser guidance systems to gather information about our target.
In this section of the lab, we used the initial AO setup going into our silicon power detector, which was connected to the TV, as well as this CCD camera, which was connected to the AO modulator. So, as we had the power meter on the M1 order, we were able to see transmission through our TV. However, when we moved it to the 0 order or off of the A1 order, we were not able to see anything. This is because only the diffracted orders are actually modulated by the signal. Come headquarters. This is Agent McPherson, report number 52568. Dr. Bunbar's plan is still going as planned. His evil. My infiltration of his evil empire is still going as planned as well. We're back soon.
South Norwood, days of Norwood. These are the days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. Days of Norwood.
Are we recording? Oh, okay. We are Lab 3, Section D, Group B, and today we're going to be...
This week on Days of Norwood, Mueller Matrix Polarimetry and Long Lost Fathers, starring Corey Boone as Cornelius Bunbar, and Wesleyan Pullen as Wilson Castaway, and Dana Krolichek as Danger McPherson. Hey, is it okay if my dad visits us today?
Oh yeah, of course.
Here, come in, Dad.
Dad!
That's my dad.
That's my dad!
Both your dads.
Ah! Oh,
South Norwood, days of Norwood. These are the days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. Days of Norwood. These are the days of...
Thank you everyone for watching. We would like to thank the cast of Days of Norwood for sponsoring this episode. Let's bring them out!
Doctor.
This is Lab 6, Section D, Group B. This week on Days of Norwood, Faraday rotation, stress optic coefficients, and double surprise. Starring Corey Boone as Cornelius Bunbar, Wesleyan Pullen as Wilson Castaway, and Dana Krolichek as Danger McPherson.
I think it's a fair day to observe the Faraday effect.
Hey, Danger. Cornelius has been looking for you. Where have you been?
I've been hiding in the lab. I've been kind of stressed.
Oh, well, you know, speaking of stress, I got this really cool experiment. We looked through a linear polarizer and looked at the reflection of the lights on the ground and aligned the polarizer to its polarization axis.
I'm so glad I finally caught up to you. It's so amazing that now I lost my sister so many years ago, and I have a sister again.
It's just, everything's wrong. Everything's ruined.
Why?
Because I'm a double agent!
I'm a double agent too!
South Norwood, days of Norwood. These are the days of